Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we know friction is going to be ignored, and we know that initially the block is at rest, which means that here the buoyant force would be equal to the force of gravity, would be equal to the mass times gravity. So when the wooden block is pushed down, there's an extra force, which would in this case be the net force. So we can say F extra for now is going to be equal to the mass of the water displaced times gravity, which will equal to the density of the water times the volume of the water that is displaced times gravity. And then we can say that this block has a cross-sectional area A, so we can say this is going to be equal to the density of water times G times that cross-sectional area times delta X, however far the block was pushed down into the water. So we can say that F net here is going to be equal to negative the density of water times G times A times delta X, because again, here the force is going to be always opposite of the displacement. And we know that this right here is actually modeling simple harmonic motion with a spring constant K equaling the density of water times gravity times the cross-sectional area of the block. So this would be the spring constant, and then this would be the net force. And again, we are seeing that this is going to be equal. This is going to model essentially the simple harmonic motion. And that is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.